Darcei.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch. Today is a really exciting video for me because all my life I have wanted to be a Girls' Generation member. And today, this is my chance. This tiny potato is going to become a K-pop star today. Well, I mean, I'm gonna be following her makeup routine, so it's basically the same thing, right? A few months ago, Tiffany from Girls' Generation made a video with Vogue showing her makeup routine, and oh my god, it's so pretty. And I just had to do it because I want to be pretty too. I just want to be pretty. So hopefully if I follow along to her makeup tutorial, then maybe I will get just 1/10, 1/100th, 1 out of 1/1,000,000th of her beauty. Maybe it'll rub off a little. Okay, let's get started. 18 steps. We're gonna be here a long time, guys.
So it's like, hi. Okay, no. Let me start over.
Okay, girl has got this long blonde hair, so I'm gonna have to step my game up because this potato hair is not gonna work. Luckily, I got this today.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Young. I'm here to cover my beauty routine with you.
Hold on, whose bathroom is this? Because it is beautiful. Look at the detailing on the wall and the brown robe just coordinating with everything. I am digging this. Damn, that's a nice bathroom.
4 days in a row, 6 hours each to get this Mother of Dragons blonde.
It took me 2.5 seconds to get this golden blonde because this a wig, girl.
Most famous thing about K-beauty would probably be face masks. My favorite product would be this right now.
So the first thing we're gonna do is put on a face mask. Wait, hold on. I just realized something. Are you telling me that her face right now, this face, doesn't have any makeup on? Hold on. You're telling me that this face right here, this face just looks like this without makeup? My god. So I actually bought the same mask that she did, so we're gonna be trying that today.
Get a brush and the product.
Hold on, let me read the instructions. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just paint it on your face.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And then just paint.
I'm just gonna paint this on my face. Ooh. Feels nice.
You leave this on.
Oh my god. I can't talk, guys. I can't talk. I look old. My youth. Where has it gone? Okay, I think it's time to wash this off now. Whoa, that was a wild ride.
I'm born again. But literally, this is what's so amazing about it. It is tight as a drum. That's why I said I'm singing Born Again. This is a firming energy serum, fermented soybean.
Next, she used this serum from Innisfree. I got this off Amazon.
Tie-on honey. Soft.
Ooh, very smooth.
And what I liked about this one is that you can kind of do this.
I couldn't find that eye serum, but I did find this eye serum by the same brand, Innisfree, and this is the green tea seed eye and face ball. So this is just like the green tea version of the other one. Ooh. Wow.
Cooling effect, so it gets rid of all your puffiness.
Okay, so now we're finally getting into the makeup. So she's taking a primer. Don't know what primer that is, but I got this one from Misha. So we're just gonna apply it to our hand like she's doing. Oh.
The glow-on oil volume base.
And then she's using this glow-on oil volume base that I got from Etude House. Ooh.
I mix them together like that. And then you make sure you apply evenly.
So then we're just gonna mix those together and apply to the skin evenly. Wow. Whoa. Ooh.
And what's important when you're putting product on your face is that you're never like a aggressively pulling your face down. It's always kind of soaked in and lifted upwards. This is my favorite foundation.
The foundation that she used in the video does not come in my shade. So I'm just gonna use my foundation from NARS.
This is my favorite foundation. Make sure it's not like caked on. It's very, very evenly sprawled out. It's one very thin layer, and I'm using a beauty blender. And I use it wet because I feel like it gets it in more evenly and well seeped into your skin versus it just kind of laying on your face. Oh my gosh, I need something on my hands. This is something I just like to use. It's about building this foundation before you start creating on it. It's a Powder Plump lip balm. It looks like your natural lips, lip color. So the MLB. My lips feel better. Is that a Korean thing?
Now we're putting on our concealer. I don't know which concealer that is, but it probably doesn't come in my color. So I'm just gonna use mine again. Oh my god. Oh my god. The lip balm it's tingling. It's burning. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I go under the eye.
Okay, just under the eye. Cool. I just want to let you guys know that my lips are still burning.
This is powder. This is my favorite. It smells so good, and it's...
I'm using a pressed powder from Morphe because I have no idea what powder she's using. And once again, probably not my shade.
And as you can see, I'm not like rubbing against the skin. Just make sure you get a little, and then just pat into. They are all Asian beauty products as well. I know.
She's using 3 brow products.
So what I do, I don't really draw above. I fill in from the bottom. I know some ladies you can relate to. There's all these empty spots. And I pull out a little longer. And these empty spots, you can just draw it in. But I do round up my arches. I have a more narrow but longer face, and I want to shorten the planes here. I want to create the definition more towards the center of my face. I would create a gradient around my cheeks.
She doing blush mathematics? Shorten the planes and create a gradient.
I make the color pop more in the center. Let me just show you. I'm going to use this.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Is that a 3CE blush? I think I got one of those lying around here. 1 or 2.
Let's see, because this one definitely is one of my favorites. Center. Highlighter. This is my favorite one.
So next she's putting on a highlighter from Too Faced that they don't sell anymore. So I'm just gonna put on whatever highlighter I want. Ha! I'm gonna take this one that I recently got from VDL.
Notice how I'm not going like this. Just put it in some line. And then when I do it here, I just
Whoa, right under the eye. Whoa.
Now it's very, very important to choose your bronzer. Oftentimes I use in that one just so it blends easily.
And for bronzer, I'm gonna be using one from VDL as well. This dark shade right here.
One of my personal favorites is this one. It's called the Candlelight Glow. Oh yeah, I can tell now. It's not about here, ladies. It's about right here. And it creates that definition.
Okay, right down the jawline. I got it. Gotta get that V-line, girl. I got you.
It's almost like a rainbow.
Then she's applying a darker shade with an angular brush, like an eyeliner.
When I'm on stage, I definitely use gel eyeliner, but on a much more laid back kind of thing, I would fill in my lines with a darker brown. Another trick we do is we fill in right here. What's important is that it's centered. Most people just grab it like this, as you can see, but it needs to be tilted toward its center. And voila. This is the micro wand. What's important, I feel like, is that you start from the base and you fan it out. And then I like to put this one on too. Start from the root And now, the lips. Every time I hear lips, I'm excited to go into it. This is a dustier brick rose. The darkest, and then start stamping it out. It's a much more natural look versus like, ooh, she's wearing makeup. You know they say, do you see the face or do you see the makeup? This rosy lips. Thank you for watching.
Listen, boy. My first love story.
Do you guys think I could be a member of Girls' Generation? Please say yes. This came out a lot better than I expected. It's actually kind of cute. Sadly, I do not look like Tiffany. I still look like me, but a slightly cuter version of me. So I think we did pretty good. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, girl, because if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you might as well just subscribe and then just keep watching. Get your popcorn, get your drinks, get your snacks, and keep on watching because I got lots of videos just like this one. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so that you get to vote on what videos I do next. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. I love ya so